Hello guys and welcome back to our next episode. Today we're gonna be building Subway in my Bloxburg mall. As you guys can see off camera, I did a little bit of work. I added a parking lot, which I was supposed to do a long time, but did not get to do it. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see off camera, I did the Subway layout for you guys. So I just added a floor which was a diagonal sage green. These wall trims are also middle color for you guys. It is sage green with the color, and the upstairs was the same. Just a little bit of small overhang, a little bit of seats and all the other stuff upstairs. Let me explain to you guys why this was like this. Okay, so guys, before I was doing the video, I was recording the video, right? And then I paused it. I think I paused the video, but the video did not pause. So the video continued to record while I was busy doing something else, because I paused the video to do other stuff like off camera, and now we're back and I will tell you guys what I did. So the video did not pause, so I did have to start back over the whole video, and it was very annoying because I was saying, okay guys, the video was going to be ended. I paused the video at 15 that something seconds, and after when I look back, the thing was still recording, and that made me really vexed. So I had to start back over the whole video just for you guys. So you guys see what I did just to do that. Okay, so let's start back over the video. Okay guys, so I will replace all of the furniture and everything in this place, guys, but I have to undo everything because I want to start from scratch so that you guys could see what I was doing. So I painted these walls. They're gonna be painted sage green. I use a light green because you don't want it to be too thing. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this color here, and I'll be back when I'm finished painting all the walls.
15
Okay,
minutes
guys,
later.
I'm back. We're gonna go into our appliances. Guys, I was so vexed, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go in counters. I'm very sorry. I was spending my whole time recording this video for you guys, and the thing just decided to just did not click, and it was so irritating, guys. Because me as somebody, I didn't wanted the whole building for you guys, because I was building the thing, and the thing did not stop when I was recording it. So it makes me have to come back over and do everything. I'm gonna go into plumbing. I'm gonna grab this commercial sink. Where is it? Okay, this big one. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna place 2 of these because I do not unlock the other one. So it is gonna be very difficult. Sweet. Then I wanna go into appliances now. I'm gonna look for the tallest stove that they have, which I think is actually this stove, guys. Look at how much for this stove. Hey, this could buy a whole land for me in real life. That's looking, guys. So somebody's gonna have these at the stove, so I decided to add it, and I'm gonna add one of these counters right in here. Okay, sweet. Now I'm gonna add the same counters. So I'm gonna copy these counters. I'm gonna place them. I'm gonna turn these around. I'm gonna place them right here. Okay. And we have to delete these ones, I think. These two have to be deleted. So I'm gonna delete these two and I'm gonna go into storage and I'm gonna choose this, the big cake display. Where is it now, guys? Go ahead, it is right at the bottom and I pass it. Gonna put it into the one, I'm gonna sprint around. I'll be back when I'm finished placing it,
A
guys.
few moments later.
Okay, guys, we are back. So now we're gonna go to table. We're gonna look for these okay, so guys, look at our tables are gonna use. We're gonna look for the wrong table, right? What's the table so wrong? Okay. You could look for, you could use that one if you want, but you can also use some of the cheap ones as well. So you could use this one here and you could leave it default color because it already has marble in it, and you guys, marble is my favorite color to use in those stuff. So I'm gonna go and look for these little, oh no, you have to use the bigger table. Okay, so let me look for the bigger table. And it was a wrong table to use in comment. So you guys, I was recording before. I know it's a wrong table, but I didn't want to use these ones. We'll try this one here now and see if it is this one here that they need to do. Okay, you could use this one. You could use this one. Okay, let's quickly delete this one. You want this tool somehow so you wouldn't choke on the table while you go and sit. So I'm gonna place these on both sides. I'm gonna paint this table here white. To got a nice texture, and I'm gonna place two of these in the corner like this. I'm gonna lift this up. Hey guys, this is one thing I just got with the tables, it's just like when you try to place them and just only pick up half of what you place. I place all of these seats, right? You have to like be able to place the seats like very straight in order for it to get to go in properly. See that, guys? So I'm gonna just place this one in here. Right, and then ease back the table forward. Right. Right, then I'm gonna copy and clone this now. Right here. Guys, I'll be back when I finish
2
placing the
hours
seeds and
later.
everything. Okay guys, we are back now. We want to do our appliances now. So I'm gonna go into appliances and I'm gonna choose. We're gonna buy this espresso machine for 250 bucks. You guys can see Ambirox, but you can also buy more if you guys have the Bloxburg to buy more.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm here, so that's a little bit of thing of camera and the flowers and the chair. After the tongue, I will color off those before the tour. A little small camera, and also wanna add the lightings. Okay guys, I'll be back when I'm ready to do the
2
tour
hours
for you
later.
guys. And with that guys, our subway is done. Let's do the tour. So we are passing by a lovely mall and we see, ooh, a mall. Let's enter. Gonna open. I'm gonna open first. I'm gonna head. Because the subway have our McDonald's or Gucci and we have subway. Okay guys, as you enter you have your seat. Okay guys, off camera I added this little mustard sauce thing like ketchup or something on top of the table. That added two. We have our menu, which buy one get one free. Basically at the fire extinguisher we have our menus. Also jump over the counter, we have our espresso machine to make our coffee, our sinks, our displays to put our food and cookies and all of that. And also you can go up the stairs right here. You have a couple more seats upstairs and just and that. That's a bit for the video. If you guys enjoy, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all